All right, we're going to do now HEP service, the house elevation plot. The HEP service is basically just Noble providing the partner with a report that shows the graphics for the points that you're putting on the floor plan. It's kind of similar to what some home inspection companies have already done, where they draw out the floor plan and they put the points, and they don't provide an engineering assessment. They don't provide tilt deflection calculations. They're not going to provide a repair plan, but they're going to show the client how their elevations land. That's what this service is. The HEP service is a lot of work for you, the partner, because you're basically doing everything that we need to do an EFE, an engineer's foundation evaluation. It's just less work on us. You're going to give us still the elevation measurements through the exact same process you do the EFE, and you're going to give us the Kubicasso floor plan scan, the exact same process that you're doing the EFE. You're just now going to get a report back that shows it's just a report back that shows the graphics. We give you the graphics associated with the points. We give you, and then we give you the topography. We're not going to slice up the slab for profiles. We're not, again, running tilt deflection calculations. We're not going to give you a repair plan. It's just to demonstrate the graphic. These are very popular with new builds, especially those where you don't trust the builder or they don't trust the builder. The builder's measurements, the builder sometimes will provide a brief house elevation plot for them, or a finalized elevations of the pour, or they keep it to themselves and they won't give it to you. And so we can provide them with that for use at the 11-month marker or use down the road. As y'all know, foundations are not all poured flat. So when we come into a home, if it's like 2 years into the process and the home is 2 years old, our elevations are going to kind of say that we started from zero, when we all know that we don't. So this has its purpose. We also will say that you can sell elevation points as part of the documentation process for your report without buying this service from us if the client doesn't need the graphics. So in fact, we do this through our home inspection company. We'll sell for, I think it's $65 or $70. We'll run the measurements, document them in your inspection report, and then we won't do anything else with them, so that if they need them in the future, they're memorialized in the report. We can pull them out and put them on a map if we ever needed to. But that way it kind of solidifies the existence of the elevations for future use down the road. Again, the HEP, this process is just one more step where we give you the colorful graphics and show you the pretty picture of the reds and greens that show the client what their home looks like. That's it. If you want to do an HEP, you would just add it, and then you'll see basically the same template as the EFE. You would just complete the information as you normally would, providing us with the elevations room by room, submitting the report, and then instead of getting an EFE back, you would get an HEP back, which is a modified report that just shows the graphics. I don't have an example of that even right now. I will get one so that we can market this service better. For us, this is kind of a new experience. That there was a guy who I have to give credit to, Peter, who wanted this for his clients, who thought this would be a very quality thing. And so we've started adding it now as a service that we provide, even though it's not something that we're super prepared to kind of showcase to you. So anyways, that's what an HEP is. If you want one, or if you have questions about it, in addition to this, then give us a call. We'll set you up. Thanks. Bye.